How's that? Perfect.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
We'll just have to go logging together, Nathan.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, you're gonna have to change my tires.
All right, here.
Like see me?
Is the choke on?
Yeah.
Take it off. It should already be
Oh,
warm.
there we go.
This is dangerous.
Not just me.
Knocking stuff off of yours.
Alright, you're live. Oh, hold on, once you cut. Right there. Okay.
I don't know if I'm gonna You did it.
Here we have Nathan and Mary bringing their kill down.
I didn't even put my safety goggles on when I was...
I'll get your axe too. What? It slipped so easily. All right. All right, I'm gonna try to aim it again.
All right.
All right. All right. So
I'm good. I'm
Back it
glad
up
we got the
6
bad
inches.
hits on camera.
now hit it right here. Yep. There it is. Okay. And the way these are designed, with that part there, they know you're going to hit, you're going to overshoot, so it probably won't break it. Okay.
Brianna.
Mary. All right, hold that. Let's get this one right here.
That's heavy. I know.
This one may not be too hard.
Okay. All right. See that line?
Wait, do I have to do this different because I'm left-handed?
Yeah. So you're going to be going, unless you want to try to do it right-handed.
This kind of feels right.
Either way, you're going to have power. So as long as that hand's on the bottom and up top, you slide in, you
So
go.
I'm going like that and like down, but sliding all the way down.
Sliding
But
all the way down. Make sure your left hand has a tight grip because you don't want to lose.
Okay.
I would move that log right there.
Oh, I should probably put my safety goggles on this time,
Yes,
right?
you should.
Yeah, Mary.
Because they're going to stop that up.
You know what?
Okay. All right, here it is.
Oh gosh.
You're on
Do,
TV.
Like, so like practice. Like
Yeah,
just that.
that's what you're going to do.
Maybe a
So
little
you want your
body
left
forward.
foot in front of your right foot. All right, and you're going to rock back,
And up and down.
up.
My eyelash is like scraping these glasses.
Yeah.
You got 2 long lashes. I know, right? It'll-
All right, maybe it's Maybelline. Go ahead.
It is. I don't.
Okay.
Oh.
Take practice. Rock back. There it is. There you go. There you go. There it is.
You're going there.
I'm Mary.
You're trying to play.
Yeah. Yeah. Get out. Oh, yeah.
You did it.
Yeah.
All right, hold on.
I'm getting cheated.
One more on a splitter.
Here, come on. Stay there.
One
Hold
more.
it and spread it.
That's dangerous.
Yep. Yeah!
Finally!
Oh,
Yeah.
one shot! Look at that.
Now I'm power hungry.
All right, now hold the axe up and do your best, you know, like power move.
Lumberjack.
Yeah, there you go.
When you're ready. I guess I'm ready to try.
And don't think about power,
Yeah.
think about aim. You
Yeah.
just want to make contact.
Yeah.
Okay? All right, it's contact. Now, back up just a little bit.
Yep.
There you go. Hit it. Boom! There it is. All right. See what that means. Boom!
Yeah.
All right, that's better.
Yeah.
All right.
I can help my dad out with wood chopping. It's like a little hatchet because he doesn't like cut down for big trees.
There we go. All right. So let's stop for a second. How much time do you have?
4:44.
Okay.
10 minutes or so.
Okay. So we're gonna do a little bit more, but I want to point something out to you guys. Okay. And this is so I was thinking about just a life lesson of it, because that's the goal of this, not just learning skills, but life lessons. Chainsaw and the axe. What's doing the work?
No machine.
Machine, right? The chainsaw, you're not trying to push it down, you're just letting it do its job, right? That axe, are you trying to push it down, or are you just letting gravity and the axe do the work? Right? Okay? If I took this, all right, and I thought, hey, I'm just going to push down, never going to happen, okay? It's all about letting gravity and letting the tool do the work, okay? So, here's my takeaway from today. Something I want you guys to think about. In our relationship with God, you can't make God do things, okay? And it's not about having Him bend to you. It's trying to go with letting Him do the work, and you go with that, okay? So if you've got, you know, chainsaw up there or this in your hands, if you're working with it properly, and you're being safe, and you're getting in there, it's going to do the job, right? All right, once you got the aim down, it split, right? Okay? But you had to let this, you had to figure out how to align yourself with the tool and let it do its job. Okay, in the same way, what's going to happen if I put this piece of wood up here and I balance this, how long will it take for it to split?
A couple years.
Right?
If
Never
that.
going to happen, right? So it also means you've got to be working with it, okay? If I sit there and say, hey, split that wood, all right? Yeah, that would be pretty impressive if it suddenly happened. This is not going to happen. So you've got to be working with it. But what are the chances of me splitting the wood by myself? How long is that going to take?
Couple years.
A couple of years, at least, yeah. All right. Same thing with that chainsaw, okay? If I just lay it on there, it's not going to do anything. You got to be there pulling the trigger, aim it, letting it do the work. In your life, if you think about your relationship with God, it's both working together, understanding the role of each of you. Okay? Alright? Chainsaw, the axe, they have a specific, the Maul has a specific job. Okay? You got to work with it. God has a specific purpose in your life. You have to work with it. You can't force God to do anything. Neither can you expect God to do things for you if you don't invest yourself in it. Okay? Like I said, you can't just lay an axe on wood and say, okay, go to it, axe. Go to it, Maul. Split it. Here you go, chainsaw. Go get it. All right? You've got to work with it to make that happen. All these tools we're going to start learning over the next few months, they don't do it by themselves. It's about the tool and the user knowing their role and using them appropriately. Your relationship with God is about understanding the role of each of you and working within those. Okay? So just something to kind of think about as we're doing this. Yeah, I think I'll leave it at that.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.